So I'm Katie Colbourne, I work at Basware and I'm a Global Marketing Director in our demand generation team. They just really allow us to sort of obviously hear what's going on in the wider industry, hear perhaps what some of our competitors are doing, but also hear from our customers. So what are they really thinking about? What are their day-to-day challenges? How are they dealing with everything that's going on in the world right now? So I think it just gives us that time to sort of take a step out of the day-to-day and think about the bigger picture. So I think it's similar to what I was saying in my keynote really. So I think it's if you're taking away some of those repetitive, laborious tasks by using something like technology to automate those. So you can use it not only to automate them, but also collect that data for you into sort of a single repository. So you can sort of have that in one place and then you can use that, have the latest information to sort of make business-based decisions. So I think it's a variety. I think the core ones are the anatomy we sort of spoke through today. So it's having a really strong open business network. So somewhere where all of your suppliers are already on there. They could submit invoices in any format and there's no sort of complex or costly onboarding for them. It's then obviously having an AP automation solution that has perhaps artificial intelligence and machine learning that sits behind it, similar to ours, so you can automate some of those workflows and the invoice ingestion. And then of course a way to sort of match everything back to PO. So if that then extends into P2P, so you can fully source everything in one system too, then that's fantastic. Yeah, so I think that depends. I think it's getting a handle of your current processes and the amount of work and invoices and things that you are having to sort of deal with day to day. So again, having a system in place where you can capture that data so you can get an idea of like the amount of full-time employees you need to sort of work alongside that really is sort of the best way. So if we're thinking back to sort of full AP automation, you'd be looking for metrics like your e-invoicing rate, so the percentage of your invoices that are coming through electronically versus manual. You'll be looking at matching rates, so from when it comes in to getting paid, is that going straight through? Is it having to go through an exception handling? And then you're also looking at things like how many of your suppliers are onboarded and those types of metrics. And you should start to see those increase over time in an ideal world.